Hey everyone, welcome back to the Skillsharp. Today we will see how we can set up Python 3 in your Ubuntu system if it is not installed. So first of all you can check Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version in your terminal. Okay, in my case Python 3 is installed 3.10.12. Okay, if Python 3 is not installed in your system, first just update your system sudo space apt space update. It will ask for password. Enter the password. It will check and update the system. Okay. So my system is up to date. Then you want to install the Python. For that, sudo apt install python 3 and hit enter. So if Python is not installed in your system, it will install the Python 3 in your system. Let's check is pip installed in our system or not. Pip 3 space hyphen hyphen version. So you can see command pip3 not found, but you can install with the path. Okay, so let's install pip in our system. Pip is not installed. Pip is Python's package manager. Okay, so for installing pip, you need to use this command sudo apt install python 3 hyphen pip and hit enter. Now it will start. It will ask some questions. So enter yes. It is installing pip, that is Python package manager, in your Ubuntu system. You can see the progress is going on. Okay, now pip is installed. Let's check the version again. Pip 3 hyphen hyphen version, and now you can see pip 22.0.2 is installed. So in this way we can set up Python in our Ubuntu virtual machine along with the Python package manager pip. This is all for this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to share this video with other enthusiastic programmers. And please do not forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.